Hello, welcome to the weather update. Today, kind of a mixed day with clouds and some hazy sunshine, but not really any nice blue skies at all. And the humidity was still up there a little bit. We're going to look at the current conditions outside right now. Islip, 64 degrees. Dew point is still 63, so we're still seeing that humidity. It's cooler, but we're still seeing that humidity, and we saw it throughout the day here. Dew points in the 60s and temperatures reaching the 70s. Let's go look at the highs for the day. Get this out of the way quick here and look at those highs on the screen. So 70, so generally low to mid 70s across Long Island. And then if you were in Jersey, you dealt with temperatures near 80 degrees. And I have a feeling if you were in the northern part of Long Island, perhaps, yeah, it was more like 79 in Mineola. So if you're on the South Shore, it was cooler with a sea breeze, but here it was more like closer to 80 degrees, as well as, well, Central Park at 75. So, yeah, kind of a hazy day out there. We're going to look at some of the pictures today, this evening here, and you can see a lot of haze in the sky. Not a really nice blue sky at all. A lot of cirrus as well. And then this is what it looked like. The sunset, though, was pretty. I was in Lynbrook, and we really had some really pretty clouds at sunset here. Take a look at some of these nice-looking clouds that we had in the sky. So there's some a very nice, colorful sunset tonight, as you can see. It was absolutely beautiful. There you go. Look at that. So, really nice. Showing you some of the pictures of what it looked like with that sunset, because you should have seen it. It was actually pretty nice. And yes, they've got another new business in Lynbrook. What else is new? They get all the new businesses, but there, look at that. That is quite pretty. So let's go look at the latest from the Hurricane Center on potential cyclone 1. And we got our warning cone. We've got tropical storm warnings now in effect for Florida, as well as the western part of Cuba and the Bahamas. With this latest public advisory, has it at located 23.3 north, 85.0 west, about 95 miles north of the western tip of Cuba, 300 miles southwest of Fort Myers, Florida. Winds not really a factor; they're 40 miles an hour. It's going to be the rain that's going to be a factor for this system. And let's go now to look at this current satellite picture of our area. I think we already did that, but let's go and look at the current satellite picture of the storm. There should be, yeah, you should be able to look at it here. So here you go. I know you should usually use tidbits for this, but there you go. You can see the convection flaring up, and there's some heavy rain. It's already occurring. So this is going to be the main issue with this, is going to be heavy rains over parts of western Cuba and South Florida. If we look at the current radar, you will see those heavy rains. And we have a few showers, actually, to our north and the east over Rhode Island, but nothing really to concern ourselves with. This is some of the heavy rain that's spiraling off of it, and you can see some of it here. Look at that. That's some pretty heavy rain there from Miami on southward. Some on the west coast, too. So that's going to be the main factor. The main issue with this storm is just going to be the heavy rain that we're going to see from it. That Florida is going to see from it. We're not going to see it, but Florida. I'm sorry. I'm tired. Anyway, let's look at the models here. And, we have two things to look at, obviously. Our weather, which won't really be... We're not going to have any issues. We're going to have a very nice weekend. This is the tropical storm feature right here. You'll have to watch it. And I think once it gets east of Florida, that's when it could strengthen and become a stronger tropical storm. But fortunately, it does stay offshore, as you can see. But you can see the isobars wrapping up as it moves offshore. So it could kick up the surf a little bit, perhaps, along the east coast. Let's go closer into our area now, the northeast, and look at the 0ZH not 01. Yeah, I am at the 0. I'm at the 0Z. I'm sorry. I am tired. So you can see a couple of showers popping up. Looks like one might nick Montauk, but other than that, it's going to be dry throughout the weekend. See, with high pressure in control. Let's show you the dew points and wind flow, because the dew points are still high. You can still see that moist air still lingering. Drier air is just off to the north and west. And tomorrow we're going to see a weak. Again, the dry air is going to try to get in, but you still see like a southerly flow develop that could bring in some moisture. I think the dew points will be a little lower tomorrow. Now, if you're north and the west, your dew points will be lower, but if you're over Long Island and Jersey Shore, you'll probably have dew points in the 50s to maybe low 60s. But then another push of drier air comes in for Sunday with a north to northeast wind, and that's going to lower the dew points. Sunday is going to be a nice day. Naturally, of course, Samantha Ojiri picked Saturday as being the day because it's going to be warmer, but Sunday is going to be cooler, and I think we'll have a better looking sky with those lower dew points. So let's look at the temperatures now. So tomorrow is still going to be a little bit on the warm side. So here's tomorrow, and you can still see temperatures Nassau County probably getting to low 80s. And there's the sea breeze, though. There will be a very nice sea breeze on the South Shore that will come in and cool things off. So it will cool things off. It'll probably have a little trouble getting into the Mineola area, but if you're on the South Shore, the South Shore of Suffolk, that sea breeze will drop your temperatures down to low 70s and upper 60s. And then you see that drier push of air, that cooler push of air coming in. Temperatures tomorrow night actually get into the 50s. And then for Sunday, a much cooler day. Temperatures in the mid-70s, which is closer to normal for this time of the year. So now let's go and look at the skies. RGM. And I have a feeling tomorrow we're going to see some of that haze around as well. So let's go to the RGM right now. Going to some orange. You'll still see some clouds kind of hanging out over the east end. A few clouds. Probably more sun today. I can't guarantee a deep blue sky because, again, we've seen some of that haze around. For Sunday, should have mostly clear skies and then hopefully a bluer sky with that drier air in place. And then for Monday, should be another nice, mostly sunny day. So with the cooler air in place. So we have a nice stretch of weather coming up. No rain, fair weather, and it should be pretty nice. And I mean, I can look at a few more models with the skies and go to the NAM 3, which is only going to give us out till tomorrow. But you can sort of see that fog hanging out over the south. That indicates moisture. So we have to wait for that second push to come in to clear things out. And hopefully we'll see things clear out more. Let me go to the satellite one more time here. And I just want to make this a slightly longer loop, 48 frame loop, so we could see. You can see some of that haze in the air because it was really hazy today. And maybe it's just the humidity, but hopefully we can see some bluer skies tomorrow, especially Sunday. And anyway, that's going to wrap up this weather update. Thank you for watching.